Today is the second part of a two-part video series where I share with you the pros and cons or the advantages or disadvantages of being a virtual assistant. This is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. Again, welcome to my channel where I share with you some tips and training about the virtual assistant industry. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell for notifications. I have a surprise for my loyal subscribers, so make sure to watch until the end. Last time, I shared the 5 pros or advantages of being a virtual assistant. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and click at the upper right hand corner and share the first part. Meanwhile, let's have a quick recap. The 5 advantages are: number 1, you get to work at the comfort of your own home or anywhere you might be. Number 2, you get to experience office politics no more. Number 3, you get to manage your own working days and hours. Number 4, you get to decide what you really wanted to do. Number 5, you, as a virtual assistant, have many future possibilities. Now it's time to share the cons or disadvantages. Number 1, you lose track of time if not disciplined. Since you get to decide your working hours, you might probably think you have lots of time. Therefore, you delay doing some of your tasks that at the end of the day you wonder, what happened? Right? And you ask yourself, why am I not done yet with my to-do list? So this is pretty normal. At least you've been warned. So here's a quick tip. Make sure to plan ahead and meditate so that when you start working, you are calmer and you're more aware when it comes to accomplishing your tasks. Number 2, it can be boring sometimes for extrovert people. Okay, if you're an introvert like me, perhaps you cannot relate to this part. However, when you're working online for a very long time, you get to experience this, and that includes introvert people. We are human in the first place, so we do miss personal interactions and interesting conversations. So here's a quick tip. There are many activities or meetups for online freelancers. So go ahead and join them by signing up so that you will not only have a personal interaction with them, but you will also be hanging out with like-minded people. That way, it can actually boost your virtual assistant business. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, tap the like icon. Number 3, you are prone to distractions. Since we are home most of the time, our children, our families, and some household chores can distract us from working. That is one of the many challenges when you're not in the office anymore. But as always, there is a solution. So here's a quick tip. Set your office or rather working hours and match it while your children are asleep. So this applies when your children are still young. Then talk to your loved ones about what you do and remind them that you have to work, still have to work, and you need to focus. Number 4, you don't have paid leaves or other company benefits anymore. So when you work or still working in a company, having leave or medical benefits is normal. So you will miss that when you start working from home unless you're still a remote worker and you're still an employee for a company. So here's a quick tip. When setting up your rates, consider all your expenses, especially those who are related to your VA business. That way you won't think about the bonuses, the 13-month pay, and such, because you are asking the right amount when it comes to your work. If you're wondering what about the rates of a VA, of a virtual assistant, make sure to check the video here. Now, for the 5th and last disadvantages, you work on your own, which can be overwhelming. Well, it doesn't sound like a disadvantage. There's a part in your VA business where you have to remind yourself to do certain things in a certain period of time. So you will have to think about your taxes, your internet, your electricity, your medical bills and such, and perhaps some insurance too, and so on and so forth. Since this is your virtual assistant business, you are now thinking like an entrepreneur, which is great, right? So here's a quick tip. and list all the requirements you need to do as a business owner, and add those schedules in your calendar to make sure you won't forget. If you have the budget, also consider hiring someone to help you do some of these tasks. Now, for my loyal subscribers, here's something I want to do for you. If you've been watching my videos for a while but feel like you're stuck and don't know what to do next, I want to reach out to you so I can guide you. What do you need to do? Just send me an email and tell me your story. Email me at that's me, at conniezabala.com. That's it. I promise there will be no judgment or anything. I won't bite. And if you just want to rant, just go ahead. I will listen. If you ask questions, as a way, I will answer them as much as I can. Because I'm here to help you and I just want to understand you more so I can create more videos that can actually help you. So don't forget to send an email to me, that's me, at conniezabala.com. Now, I want to hear from you again. Based from the 5 cons or the disadvantages, which one you can relate most? Share them in the comments below and I am excited to read them. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you again soon.